King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the change put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be restocking our lip gloss starter kits because this is highly requested. A lot of my customers are saying like, girl, when is the restock? When is the restock? We're ready for the lip gloss starter kits to be back in stock, okay? So we are going to be restocking 5 lip gloss starter kits today, and it takes me a while to restock these. That's why I do them at a small amount at a time, because it just takes a lot, because it comes with a lot. So without further ado, wait, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out our new membership program if you are interested in that. It is the join button beside our subscribe button, so make sure you check that out. And now let's get into the video. I'm going to take these free boxes that you can get from USPS.com, and I'm going to be using something called wet tape that I got from Sticker Mule to tape my boxes, well at least the bottom of them, just so that I can get the box shape for my lip gloss starter kits. So this tape comes with a sponge, and all you have to do is dip it in water, and then the water activates the stickiness of the tape. So that's why you see me rubbing this sponge on this tape to get it sticky and so that it can stick to the box. So now I have 5 boxes ready to go for me to fill with lip gloss starter kits essentials. Next, I'm going to use these cute little boxes that I got off Amazon. This is what I fill with squeeze tubes, wand tubes, gloves, flavoring oils, pigments. I put all of that in this little cookie cake box thingy, and that is what I'm doing right now. Lighting is not that great, but you guys, while I was on TikTok live and while I was getting ready to make some lip gloss starter kits, I just realized I only have enough wand tubes to make 2 more starter kits. So this video is not gonna be as long as I thought because I have to get some more supplies. So I'm gonna order some more supplies tonight, and with Amazon I know it's gonna get here fast. So for now I'm gonna do 2, but when the rest of the supplies come, I'll do the rest of the lip gloss starter kits. And then yeah, I just had to tell you guys that. So hey y'all, hey, I love her. Here I am counting each tube. I'm going to put 10 squeeze tubes inside of a pink little baggie and 10 wand tubes inside of a pink baggie to fit inside of each box. So there's a total of 20 tubes in each box that comes with the lip gloss starter kits. Are the super cute neon pigments that come with lip gloss starter kits. How cute are these? Now I'm just choosing 2 random flavors out of this food flavoring pack of oils that I have. So I'm just looking through here to get out 4 flavoring oils for 2 to have, well, for each starter kit to have 2 different flavoring oils. I am making sure that each starter kit has 2 20-milliliter syringes and 4 pipettes. So that's what I'm putting in these little bubble bags. Everything is all packaged and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff my little cake cookie boxes with all of the lip gloss starter kit goodies. to package our lip gloss starter kits and make it look so super pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out our lip gloss starter kits on our website if you are interested in just having some fun with some gloss, or if you are interested in actually starting a business and you just want to try it with like a little bit of gloss first, see how you like it. These are perfect for you for DIY projects, for fun, or for if you are looking to start a lip gloss business, anything. So make sure you check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.